Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Maker and I have a new Cricut mystery box to show you. This is the White as Snow mystery box coming out sometime tomorrow, Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021. The exact time it comes out is the mystery. You can check jennifermaker.com/mysterybox at any time on Tuesday, February 23rd to see if it's available to purchase. Now I'm going to give you a sneak peek inside this mystery box now so you can decide if this is something that you want. So let's look inside. So this box is themed for winter, as you can see by all the whites and silvers. Very, very useful. And unlike our last mystery box, it is not entirely vinyl. You can see we've got some other goodies in here. And look, it has a Cricut cutie. Let's see what color it is. I'm sure we can all guess by the name of the mystery box. And sure enough, it is a white Cricut cutie. I don't think I've ever seen a white cutie before, so I think that this is a new color. So look at that. Isn't he cute? All black and white. Look, Cricut on the back of his head there. Little antenna that moved. By the way, did you know their heads move? So yeah, here's his little Cricut cutie and all white. So Snow White. That makes sense, right? Let's put him here and see what else we have inside here. So first of all, I see we have replacement fine point blades. Very, very useful. These are for the Cricut Explorer and the Cricut Maker. I want to note at the bottom that it says that they are for the Explorer, but they also fit the Maker. Note the gray caps. These are the correct blades for your Cricut Explorer and Cricut Maker. They go right into your silver or gold housing or pink. All right, so there's two replacement blades in here, super useful. There, and let me put this actually over to the side here. We have the ever helpful scraper and spatula in mint green and lavender. Very useful. I use my scraper all the time. We have a set of 10 everyday pens. So these are the Cricut pens. It's a 10 pack. So you can see up here we have a 0.1 tip in silver and in gold and a 0.4 tip in black. Very useful. I love the Cricut pens. They're great for greeting cards and doing other projects. And yeah, so they fit right into clamp A on the Cricut Explorer and Cricut Maker. These will not fit on the Cricut Joy. So don't forget that they use a different pen. All right, then we have some Cricut window cling in frosted white. Ooh, so pretty. Perfect for winter, for making all of the fun winter designs, whether you put them on your window or just a piece of glass. I used the frosted window cling to make my Beauty and the Beast Belle Cloche glass, which is on my blog if you'd like to see how I did that. And then we have some iron-on vinyl, everyday iron-on mosaic. This is really pretty because it's basically, and this is white. So white mosaic. Let me show you what this picture looks like, because I know a lot of people wonder how they can use this. So because it's these little white squares, it basically gives you like a really different look to your design, and I think it's really neat. In fact, this one here is glitter iron-on mesh, so it also gives you a really different look, and this is white glitter. So you can see how it's got some cutouts here, so it would make a really unique and different look, but still white and glittery, so very pretty. And premium adhesive permanent vinyl is what this is. And this is silver metallic mosaic. And what is so cool about this kind of vinyl is it looks like sequins. So if you've ever seen sequin projects and thought, oh, that looks really cool, I can't do them, they look really hard, now you can do them. And so here is a design that you can do. Here's another one that's very cool. This is using the holographic that was in a past mystery box. This is so pretty. It really does look like sequins once it's on a surface. Very pretty. All right, so in addition, we have 2 packs of cardstock. The first is wedding cake cardstock, and it is 20 pieces of 12 by 12 inch cardstock, and it is all a lovely white color. Let me see if I can show you. And it's got, actually, let's go up here. It has a texture, which I know you probably can't see, but it's really nice, high quality white cardstock. The texture on the front, it's not quite a linen, and there's no texture on the back. It's really nice, high quality. And then we have this ivory lace And this is a set of 18 pieces of cardstock and acetate. So an example you can see here, they've made lanterns. So this would be wonderful for many of our lantern projects over on the Jennifer Maker blog. And so you can see and it's the same textured paper in the other one, so it has a really nice texture on the front, smooth on the back. I think actually they're textured on both sides in this. And oh, the white is smooth on the back, but the ivory is textured on both sides, and then there is acetate in the back. Perfect for making lanterns. All right, so that is the make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope. This is the contents of the White as Snow mystery box. It is just $49.99. The retail value of everything in here is $137.40. So, let me put everything back in here. All right, so it's very important. This special mystery box is just for Cricut Access subscribers, and it's an exclusive perk. So if you don't yet have Cricut Access, you can buy it first at jennifermaker.com/Cricut-Access. Then you put the mystery box into your cart and check out. Now you do not need to use any coupon codes when you're getting the mystery box through Access. You can get your discounts applied automatically, plus you get free shipping. Now, if you have premium Cricut Access, you get 20% off. If you have standard Cricut Access, you get 10% off. Now, if you're not sure if Cricut Access is right for you, check out my Cricut Access guide at jennifermaker.com/Cricut-Access for answers to all of your questions about Cricut Access. And also remember that you can use my Maker Fund discount to get 10% off plus free shipping if you have an extra $50 or more in supplies in your shopping cart. Okay, so it doesn't apply to the mystery box, but it applies to other materials and supplies. Now, very important, this mystery box will go quickly once it becomes available to purchase. It will. There's a cutie in it. It's a new color, and people will want this. So if it goes out of stock before you can get it, check back later. It is not uncommon for stock to come back later. Be patient and positive. The mystery boxes are very popular, and sometimes the shop site gets busy, sometimes it goes down, that sort of thing. Your best bet is to keep trying or to try on another device. If you have issues with the link that I put here not working, just go to jennifermaker.com/Cricut shop and search for mystery box, and it'll bring it up if it's available, right? Now, if you want to see a list of each of the items in this mystery box, as well as a link to each item in the Cricut shop so you can get more specific details, please go to jennifermaker.com/Cricut mystery box. Now, again, it's a mystery as to when, during the day on Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021, that you can purchase this mystery box. You can go to jennifermaker.com/mystery box at any time to see if it's available to purchase. Once you discover it's available, update all of us in our mystery box thread over in our Cricut Facebook group at jennifermaker.com/Cricut Crafters to alert others. And that's it for now. I hope you found this mystery box peek helpful, and I adore this little white kitty. He's going to look so awesome in my Cricut condo. So it's my display box that I created for all of my Cricuts. All my Cricut kitties. If you would like to make one, you certainly can. The pattern is free on my blog. So check that out. And I hope that if you get one, let us know. Let us know what you're making with your things. Everyone loves to get ideas for projects. There's actually a lot of really cool things that you can make with everything in this mystery box. This is a good one. Until next time, this is Jennifer Maker reminding you to craft a life you love.